Bodybuilding has changed over the decades. The legends of the past inspired the champions of today. But the question remains, who truly replaced the icons of the golden and masked monster eras? Let's find out. 1. Chris Bumstead versus Arnold Schwarzenegger. Chris Bumstead, known as C-Bum, is today's classic physique champion. His wide shoulders, tiny waist, and golden era posing bring back memories of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold built the foundation of bodybuilding in the 1970s. He was the face of charisma, aesthetics, and the classic V-taper that defined an era. C-Bum may not match Arnold's global fame yet, but in terms of physique and style, he is the modern reflection of the Austrian oak. Two, Ramon Dino versus Kevin Levrone. Ramon Dino is rising fast in classic physique with his round muscle bellies and razor-sharp conditioning. Fans call him the new hope from Brazil. On the other side, Kevin Levrone of the 90s was famous for his incredible shoulders, arms, and stage presence. He could transform his physique in record time and shock the crowd. When you place Ramon next to Kevin, you see the same dramatic lines and aesthetic flow. Both men carry that classic with power look that bodybuilding fans admire. Three, Sam Sulek versus Jay Cutler. Sam Sulek has taken the internet by storm. At just 22, his size, strength, and raw energy remind many of Jay Cutler's rise. Jay was a four-time Mr. Olympia and one of the greatest mass monsters of the 2000s. His massive quads and granite physique made him unforgettable. Sam is still young and has much to prove, but if anyone today brings back the excitement of Jay's era, it's Sam Sulek. Four, Derek Lunsford versus Phil Heath. Derek Lunsford is the new face of men's open bodybuilding. His balance of size, shape, and conditioning makes him a complete package. Phil Heath, the seven-time Mr. Olympia, was known as The Gift. His 3D muscle fullness and unbeatable detail dominated the stage for almost a decade. Derek now stands where Phil once stood, the man to beat. For many fans, Derek Lunsford is the modern answer to Phil Heath. Five, Michal Krizo versus Paul Dillett. Michal Krizo is one of the freakiest physiques in today's bodybuilding world. His huge arms and chest size shock the audience. Paul Dillett back in the 90s was known as Freakenstein. His massive frame and unreal proportions made him stand out from the rest. Side by side, Michal and Paul look like generations apart, but built from the same mold. Both represent the extreme side of bodybuilding, freak aesthetics. Bodybuilding will always evolve. Every new champion carries a piece of the legend who came before him. But the debate continues. Do today's stars truly replace the icons of the past? Or do they simply create their own legacy? Tell me in the comments, who do you think replaced the legends best?